Look at my dogs. They just ran out my gate down the road. Come on. They're like, screw this. We're even leaving. Come on. Let's come back home. I turn my back for 1 second to check my plants, and I hear them bark, and down the road they go. Look, come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, girls. God, when the dogs were leaving the house, you know they had enough. They were going down to the neighbors. And remember, again, look. 2 glasses. See, the sun is there. I can't even see you guys. See? See? Nope. Nope. I'm sorry. This is stupid. Stupid and redundant. Have a good day.